Pulmonary arterial hypertension is a serious medical condition that causes heart failure. It's treated with the drug Flolan, which is administered continuously through a pump in the patient's chest. Stopping Flolan can cause a life-threatening increase in blood pressure, so once started, Flolan treatment must continue for the rest of the patient's life. Treating a patient with Flolan costs approximately $100,000 per year. In Murray v. UNMC Physicians, the court considered a claim that doctors committed malpractice by waiting to start Flolan treatment until they knew their patient could pay for it. In June of 2006, a diagnostic test showed that Mary Murray had pulmonary arterial hypertension and significant heart failure. Mary's doctor planned to start Mary on Flolan once her insurance company approved the treatment. On July 4th, Mary was admitted to the Nebraska Medical Center with swollen legs and fluid around her heart. She was discharged on July 8th and was supposed to start Flolan the following week, but she died on July 10th before her treatment began. Mary's husband, Robert, sued the medical center and UNMC Physicians, a group of the medical center's doctors, in Nebraska State Court. Robert alleged that the doctors negligently caused Mary's death by failing to administer Flolan. At trial, Robert presented expert medical testimony that for a patient with Mary's severe symptoms, the appropriate standard of care was to start Flolan without waiting for insurance approval. But UNMC presented testimony from doctors and experts who explained that because of Flolan's cost and the health risks of stopping treatment, the appropriate standard of care was to wait for insurance approval or confirm another source of payment so that once the treatment started, it could continue uninterrupted. Robert moved for a directed verdict on the standard of care issue, arguing that doctors can't make medical decisions based on what insurance will cover. The court denied Robert's motion. But after the jury returned a verdict for UNMC, the court granted a new trial. The court held that it had erred by not granting a directed verdict on the standard of care issue, because the appropriate medical standard of care must be determined by doctors and not by payment concerns or insurance companies. UNMC appealed to the Nebraska Supreme Court.